When you don't have to focus all the time on your weight or the food that you're eating, you can focus on what you want to do with your life. I know how defeated you can feel, how you feel like there's never going to be an answer to feeling better and to losing weight and getting your body back again. But I want you to know that there is hope. I'm on a mission to help women see that there's much more to just the food they're putting in their mouth and the exercise that they're doing when it comes to losing weight. I had dieted my whole life and I wanted nothing to do with it. I'm teaching women to get out of that chronic dieting world, find the right food that makes their body heal itself, that it makes their body let go of that weight and become that healthy person, that version of themselves that they see on the inside. Once you stop struggling with it, and you can actually look at yourself in the mirror and like what you see, there's so much that can open up in your life because of that. Women need to know that it's a lifestyle. I did it, and I've helped thousands of women do it. Sooner or later, you're going to be tired of failed diets. And you're going to want to use this program to finally break through your weight loss challenges. You don't need to be in the shackles of dieting anymore. So are you ready to do this? Then let's go.